unfortunately we crashed it.
Okay, where do we go for Trail 2? Is it going to be a more formal off-road park where there's actually some obstacles for the Bronco? Now, I've only got maybe 600 miles on it so far, so I'm not quite so sure I want to break her in too hard. So definitely hope to get a few more drone shots last time. Apparently forgot to press record, so here's record for you. Come along for trail number 2. So we decided on Stampede Pass. I'm not sure what that trail's going to give us, but the online photos look pretty beautiful. We thought about bringing the old rooftop tent for this one, but we'll save that for another video. That'll be one coming up in the future. Come along for the ride.
All right, just pulled over for a quick break here. It has been a little bit more concrete than we were hoping, but that, you know, makes for some fun twists and turns around. But to our surprise, there's snow. Who thought? So we'll keep going, trying to find some dirt. All right, well, I told you guys I was gonna fly the drone more, and unfortunately we crashed it. Arm damage. Luckily we found it. We were searching for like 20 minutes. I'm trying to look at the GPS map. I'm way off. Ashley actually found it about 20 yards away from where I was, so without her, footage would have been lost. Hopefully, I'm about to show you the crashed footage.
so much for watching.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Until the next trail.
Hello, Bronco.
Hello,